Coral Cataloging course, Immersive Learning through Tech-Based Approach. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anwar Abdullah and I'm the founder of Ocean Quest Global. Advancement in technology is opening greater opportunities now for marine researchers and conservationists. As a marine conservation educator, I strongly believe that tech-based approach is one of the advantages in underwater environmental training. Take a look at the advantages of this new introduction of technology-based instructions underwater. First, it is time saving. Without effective communication underwater, it is time consuming to teach or learn, especially when a complex subject like coral classification and cataloging. Most of the times are spent reciprocating information before and after the underwater observation. Using communication technology, real-time communication is possible, saving time, and it also avoid confusion. Immersive experience can be achieved when lessons are taught right at the source, when the instructor can point out their observations and the student can take note right at the source. This completes the key learning experiences, seeing, listening, and experiencing right at the source of observation. There is no delay in transfer of knowledge in this case. Learning at the source. Learning at the source is crucial when it comes to a complex subject like coral cataloging. By looking and trying to memorize and try to catalog a coral that has been seen hours ago, it's daunting. But once learning can be done right at the source, this complex learning is reduced because experiencing and learning happens at the same time. It is not delayed until later. Misobservation can be avoided when instructors can point and explain a coral to a student while underwater. This real-time experience can be enhanced further if combined with photography. That means the experience and the observations can be observed repeatedly on post-diving as well. Effective coaching and mentoring is accomplished when students can learn right at the source. With this experience, it enhances learning, saves time, it has immersive experience, and it reduces misobservation by a big margin. Here's a little bit of information about the training. First of all, the training is available to all levels of diving experiences. There is no minimum limit except that the divers will be assessed their competency during the beginning of the training. If they require additional training, then they will have to build their competency through additional training before they are accepted to the course. And because of the concept is open to all, the learning is progressive. Progressive means we begin the knowledge development from the simplest, and then we progressively go towards more complex concepts of learning. That means the coral cataloging course in Ocean Quest Global is divided into several levels. The level 1, which is the beginning level, it is about understanding coral morphology and understanding how to differentiate between different morphological features of corals, polyps, and colonies. And progressively, we will include the classification and the types and classification of corals from the families down to the genus level. Yeah. So how does it go about? It go about first learning through an online lecture that is available upon signing up. The student will be given a schedule of the online lectures. For the level 1, there are 4 online lectures, and then once they have completed that, they are required to complete quizzes from each session of their lectures, and then once they have completed that, they will be eligible for the in-water training. So once they are ready for the in-water training, they will then be given schedule and location where they can participate in the in-water training. Once that is done, the immersive underwater experience is done, and then they can decide if they want to go up the progression of training up to a trainer level. So there will be several, up to 5 different levels of training before they reach the coral cataloging trainer, whereby they can guide students through the experiences they already experienced in the beginning of their training, and progressively they will bring the student up to also have a career opportunity in this field. Let's look at some potential in career development path of anyone who wants to participate in the coral cataloging, especially in technological based coral cataloging. Ocean Quest Global, our philosophy, we want to make the knowledge of corals and coral reef universally available to everyone. By harnessing technology, we are speeding up the process of getting this objective accomplished. One of it is to create a personal development path for our participant. So, as a student, when you enroll in our course, we did not see you just as a student who come by and learn something from us and go home as a take-home knowledge. It is more than that. We are considering personal development path so that you can go further if you want to with us. This means that we are opening opportunities for people to grow their knowledge with us, and then to one day even sustain themselves as a full-time advocate or activist in coral conservation. With that, we will flow together parallel with the technological advancement in the world and bring you the most immersive experience, and whatever technology that is available to us will be harnessed towards reaching the goal in making the knowledge of coral and coral reef universally available. That means Ocean Quest Global is an organization that is constantly evolving through its research and development. I hope with this explanation you will be able to understand the concept and philosophy of our immersive learning experience through technological based coral cataloging. I thank you for watching, and I will hope to see you again in my next presentation. Thank you very much.